channel. We got the MX-5 back in the garage now, and we're going to be working on that finally and hopefully getting it sorted. And the plan is, we got all the engine done, and we're just going to start putting all the engine parts back in, or we're going to bolting all the accessories and all that back in. Steering rack like we just did in the last video over there. The plan is to get the steering rack in today, and then just basically get everything all ready, get it all back to one piece, putting the steering rack back in and put the power steering as well, bolt that all up, bolt everything up. So we're just going to jack up the MX-5 and then we can start placing on these new refurbished parts that we cleaned up in the last video. I've got the steering rack on, the water pump, you can see, we did scrape a bit here so we can just clean that up. But anyway, yeah, we got the steering rack on, bolted in. We did have a little trouble, we had to tap the threads, but then we were able to bolt it all up, so we got that bolted up. Here's an angle, so we got that all bolted up, and we got the power steering pump aligned or bolted somewhat up, and then we got the power steering bottle. So now we're just going to be connecting everything up. So we've got all these rubbers we still have to bolt up, and all a lot of brackets as well still. So I'm just going to carry on with that. got the steering rack and the power steering all bolted up. I'm just waiting, I just need to get the fluid so I can bleed it, but I'll probably do that in the next video. We got new outer rods as well, all bolted up. Oh, we got all the power steering all bolted up as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. We didn't do too much, we just bolting things up. I guess this part's a bit too time consuming, just we're making progress, so I guess that's all that matters. So hoping in the next video again I will get most of the engine bay done, at least bolt it all back up, and hopefully maybe get all the oil, get the power steering bled, as well as put new engine oil in, and maybe get the radiator set up as well. Just see how far we get in the next video anyway. That's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.